playing more like 220 grain into him, so this is a little dodgy. With the left pin, I think he can have a go at it and be brave with this. Oh, an albatross, 2 for Max Keeper. Hello! What? No, I'm on a golf course! On a golf course! What? No, it's rubbish! Yes! Ciao!
Now watch this drive. All right. See you at church.
Great.
Okay, this is called the golf course air horn. When people tee off, when they're coming down with their swing, we're going to blow these air horns. Oh.
Here she goes again.
No, it's another one.
She still hit it pretty good.
Here, you lost your club. Sorry.
Didn't I tell you I was going to come over here and kick your ass for that?
What? I'm sorry, I got bursitis.
You got bursitis?
Yeah,
So that means you got to play with a horn.
it helps.
I'll give you something to play with, pal.
Sorry, it won't happen again.
Get up! Get up! Get up!
Shit.
Get back! Get down! Get down!
Watch this, wait.
Get down!
Wait.
Dimitri!